If you're considering SiteGround cloud hosting, there are a few things you need to know before diving in. It's a popular option for many businesses, but is it the right fit for you? Let's take a look at 12 key things to consider before purchasing, so you can make an informed decision. First, SiteGround is known for its fast and reliable cloud hosting, with speeds that are competitive with other services like Bluehost and HostGator. But while SiteGround shines in speed, it's important to understand that it's more suited for businesses looking for higher performance and flexibility compared to basic shared hosting options. Next, SiteGround offers managed hosting, which means they handle the maintenance for you. This can save you time and effort, but keep in mind that this comes at a higher price point compared to some other hosting services, like A2 Hosting, which may offer similar speeds at a lower cost. The third thing to note is SiteGround's excellent customer support. They have 24/7 live chat, phone support, and an extensive knowledge base. While other companies, like InMotion Hosting, also have great customer service, SiteGround is consistently praised for its quick response times and helpful staff. The fourth thing to consider is SiteGround's security features. They offer daily backups, free SSL certificates, and advanced security measures. Compared to some competitors, like GoDaddy, SiteGround provides a more robust set of tools to protect your website out of the box. Next up is scalability. SiteGround's cloud hosting plans allow you to easily upgrade your resources as your website grows, which is a big advantage over entry-level shared hosting services that can't scale as quickly. However, for businesses expecting rapid expansion, other cloud hosting options, like DigitalOcean, might be more cost-effective for larger needs. The sixth thing you should know is SiteGround's data center options. They have data centers located in multiple regions, including the US, Europe, and Asia. While this is great for global reach, companies like Hostinger also offer similar regional data center options, but at lower pricing tiers. The seventh consideration is SiteGround's pricing structure. While it offers high-quality services, its cloud hosting plans can be on the expensive side when compared to other cloud hosting providers, such as AWS or Google Cloud, which offer highly customizable plans, but with a steeper learning curve. Now, the eighth thing to know is SiteGround's performance with WordPress. If you're running a WordPress site, SiteGround is known for its fast load times and optimized hosting, making it a solid choice compared to WordPress-specific hosts like WP Engine, which might offer more advanced WordPress features at a higher price. The ninth thing is the SiteGround interface. The platform's dashboard is user-friendly, even for beginners, which makes it stand out from some competitors like Liquid Web, which can feel more complex. That said, if you're a seasoned web developer, you might find SiteGround a little too basic. The 10th thing to mention is that SiteGround's cloud hosting is not unlimited. As you scale up, additional charges can apply, especially when it comes to resource usage. So, if you're running a highly resource-intensive website, it might be worth considering other cloud providers like Kinsta, which offers more flexible and scalable plans. 11th is SiteGround's uptime. SiteGround boasts an impressive uptime rate of over 99.99%, which puts it on par with top-tier hosting providers like WP Engine and Bluehost. This is crucial for businesses that can't afford downtime. And finally, SiteGround's cloud hosting includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to test it out with minimal risk. While other competitors like HostPapa may also offer this, SiteGround makes it easier to make changes or switch plans if things aren't working for you. So, is SiteGround Cloud hosting the right choice for you? It's certainly a strong option with its speed, support, and security features, but it can be a bit pricier than some of the competition. If you're looking for something with more flexibility and lower costs, you might want to consider alternatives. Check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free, and see if it fits your needs better.